What's the future of Raiz Invest? Is it a buy, a sell, or a hold? Let's dive in and uncover the potential of this popular micro-investing platform. Raiz Invest has taken the investment world by storm, making it easier than ever for everyday people to start investing. But with every investment comes the question, is it a good one? Today, we're going to dissect Raiz, exploring its strengths, weaknesses, and future prospects. Understanding Raiz. For those unfamiliar, Raiz is a micro-investing platform that allows you to invest spare change. It automatically rounds up your purchases and invests the difference into a diversified portfolio of ETFs. The pros of Raiz. Accessibility. Raiz has democratized investing. It's simple to set up, and the minimum investment is incredibly low. Diversification. By investing in a diversified portfolio of ETFs, Raiz reduces your risk. Automation. The automated nature of the platform makes it easy to stick to your investment goals. Ethical investing. Raiz offers ethical investment options, appealing to socially conscious investors. The cons of Raiz. Fees. While Raiz fees are relatively low, they can still eat into your returns over the long term. Limited control. You have less control over your investments compared to traditional brokerage accounts. Currency fluctuations. If you're investing in international ETFs, currency fluctuations can impact your returns. The future of Raiz. So, what does the future hold for Raiz? While it's impossible to predict with absolute certainty, here are some trends to watch. Increased competition. As the micro-investing space grows, Raiz will face increased competition from other platforms. Technological advancements. Expect Raiz to continue innovating and incorporating new technologies to enhance user experience. Regulatory changes. Changes in regulations can impact the micro-investing industry, including Raiz. Expanding investment options. Raiz may expand its investment offerings to cater to a wider range of investor preferences. The verdict: buy, sell, or hold. Whether Raiz is a good investment for you depends on your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're a beginner investor looking for a simple, hands-off way to start investing, Raiz can be a great option. However, if you're an experienced investor seeking more control over your investments, you may want to consider other options. Ultimately, the best way to make an informed decision is to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor. Raiz is a promising platform with a lot of potential. While it has its strengths and weaknesses, it's clear that it's here to stay. By understanding its pros and cons and keeping an eye on industry trends, you can make an informed decision about whether Raiz is right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.